Hi, Clear Creek Preschool family. So this next video will be a tutorial on how to use a reward chart. So I actually have a real reward chart from our class that belongs to one of our students, and I have their name blocked out so we don't know who they are. But each of yours will have your student's name at the top, and then all of mine say is following directions because that's what we're rewarding them for. So it can literally be anything like, that they cleaned up or that you told them to use an appropriate indoor voice and they listened. Anything where you're giving them a direction and they are following it applies to the reward chart. So it kind of depends on what you need them to be doing at home, and then you'd be rewarding them for that. So there's two different ways to use the reward chart. So I'm going to start with just the basic way, and then I'm going to move on to the when you give rewards in between each token way. So the first way is I have a student and they cleaned up their toys. So I would say, good job cleaning up your toys. Move your token, and I would have the students move it. So I would usually say move your puppy and kitty because that's what the student is working for. So I know some of our charts are dinosaurs, so I would say move your dinosaur, and then they'd move it up. They always move up. And then let's say the student cleans up again. So I'd say, good job cleaning up. You can move a puppy and kitty. They would move it up. And then this student only has one more, but most of our charts are working for 4. So then I would say, good job using walking feet. Move your puppy and kitty. Look, you filled out your whole chart. So then they would get a reward of their choice. And I usually let the students choose a reward when they're done using the chart because they often will change their mind and want something different anyway. So a common reward would be 5 minutes of iPad time. And I usually try to keep it to 5 minutes because if you give them more than 5, then they won't go back to using their chart again. And so you kind of want to start the process over again. But since this is at home, I would use whatever makes the most sense for you and your family. So then I'm going to show what you do when you give rewards in between. And that will be the next video that I show. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how you give rewards in between each one and then give a larger reward at the end.